Hello everyone, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have ALCHEMY Pay and we will have one more video about leverage and how it can destroy you and what leverage should you use in order to get successful trades based on psychology. Before we continue, I would like to thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. It helps so much with the YouTube algorithm, as you already know. And of course, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. You're going to get tons of profits. Choose your best tier. In the third tier, we have everyday training, scalping strategy, personal guidance, and money guarantee back. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go right now to see the ALCHEMY Pay. So, what are we having? Rejection on the 0.1 of 43.10 in the weekly scale as well. You remember that we talked about that if we close above, we have a sure long entry. However, ALCHEMY Pay failed to close above in the weekly and in the daily. Is this the end though for ALCHEMY Pay? Of course, not yet. ALCHEMY Pay hasn't told the last word yet. Why is that? First of all, we had something bad yesterday. We didn't close above the 0.1 of 43.10, but we had something good as well. ALCHEMY Pay managed to close above this top trend line. Now, what is the case with this top trend line and why would we like ALCHEMY Pay to hold this? We would like in the daily frame to close above this line right here, okay? Around there, 0.103978. This is where we are sitting. Around here, we would like to hold this support level. I'm going to have a line towards it. Okay, there we go. We would like to close above this line, the blue line, and go all the way up. Why we would like to close above this line right here? Okay, it's a little bit further down actually. There we go. Why we would like to close above? Because this will mean that we are going to have probably a retest in the daily frame of the top trend line, and maybe we get to the retest of the 0.1 of 43.10. Okay, so we are getting the retest of the top trend line, confirming almost that this is a bullish pennant, and then we fly again towards the 0.1 of 43.10, which should be the case that we need to close above. And I think that if ALCHEMY Pay does what we talked about right now, then it has multiple chances this time, the next time that it is going to approach the 0.1 of 43.10, that we are going to close above and we are going to go all the way up to the 0.1 of 60. However, what if for ALCHEMY Pay, for example, what if we go further down, right? We do not hold this line right here. We do not close above the 0.1 of 39.78. And we get to go down into the 0.1 of 37.57. Then we will still be in the triangle, but things are not going to look as good as it looked back here, for example, if we were about to close above this line today. Okay, it won't be as good. Why is that? Because this could be the case that this is still a neutral triangle instead of a bullish pennant, okay? So we would like to avoid seeing ALCHEMY Pay closing below the 0.1 of 39.78 because then it has multiple chances into going down to the 0.1 of 37.54, okay? And then it has multiple chances into going further down from here, and things are going to look pretty ugly because if we close even below the 0.1 of 37.45 in the daily frame, expect a further correction to below 0.1 of 34. Okay, so we are going to go around here, but if we hold it, then that means that it is a very likely scenario that we have a retest, then we go upwards, and then it is about time that we hold the 0.1 of 43.10 and we go all the way up. Okay, so this is what I'm hoping for right now. I'm hoping for this line, for this retest, and we have the bullish pennant formation. Into the weekly scale, if you go right here, we do not have a huge risk. We might be having some bearish pennants, but at the end of the day, if you check it out, we only have two bearish pennants. This one right here, okay, is not a bearish pennant. Right, so this is not a bearish pennant formation simply because this was a lowest high than here. Okay, so we had a lower high, but at the same time, a lower high in the RSI. So it wasn't a bearish pennant between those two highs, but between those two ones. Okay, so those two, yeah, we had a bearish pennant, but here we didn't. Okay, this is good. This is good for the continuation of the price. However, as we talked about, until we see the 0.104310, we cannot assume that this is bullish at all, and this could turn out as a neutral triangle. After all, I've told you yesterday that you do not want to FOMO in and long position. Okay, you remember that we made a video and I told you we were here above the 0.104310, and I told you, do not FOMO in, please. It could turn out that we close below, and then we had the correction and now we are below. Okay, so this time please wait for the 0.103978. If we manage to have it to close above in the daily frame, this will be very, very good, means a retest probably of the top trend line, and then it could be the case that tomorrow we explode. Else, if we do not close above, then we are going to go further down. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you for watching. Here is Bill to tell you all the targets. See you soon with many, many more videos. Bye.